Hi, and welcome to another Miami VA Healthy Teaching Kitchen video. My name is Adriana Belmar. I am a registered dietitian at the Miami VA. And today I'm here with one of our dietetic interns, Carly Wright, who is going to show you how to make a tasty dish. During the holidays, we enjoy many gatherings with our loved ones. And we get to share the food that we enjoy the most. And with that comes plenty of leftovers.
My holiday leftovers were quinoa and turkey, so I decided to use them in this recipe along with other items I found in my pantry. But you can adapt this to whatever leftovers you have available.
So today we're gonna show you how to prepare a holiday bake with those leftovers. This recipe is super easy to make and nutritious at the same time. So we hope you enjoy and have fun making this holiday bake. Bon appetit!